Do you want to tell us what's in your orange liqueur blend, or is that?
Let's say it's a kind of like a secret recipe. Hey guys, my name is Eduardo. I'm the venue manager of Primo Sanchez. It was very interesting for me to actually make a margarita here because I'm not a massive margarita drinker and I know people love margaritas here. So we really wanted to set the bar high and make sure everyone was happy with the result. We did a little tweaks. We really spent a lot of time in the recipe to make sure that people were happy. And it was like the best of both worlds, you know. People from Australia are happy. As you know, it's very multicultural. We have a lot of people coming here, but also people from Mexico that can try the margarita and say like, oh, actually this reminds me of Mexico. Recipe is very simple. We actually made a blend of orange liqueurs. So as you might know, some might be a little bit sweeter, a bit more boozy. So we just found the right balance and we use agave for all our sweeteners. We don't use any simple syrup, which is good because it gives you a nice consistency on the drink.
Do you want to tell us what's in your orange liqueur blend, or is that?
Let's say it's a kind of like a secret recipe. I don't want to bore anyone, but yeah, I can tell you it took us a long time to perfection it. We use our white tequila spirit Patron. Also making the margarita and the lime, we make sure we use the best product. I know sometimes it's hard, obviously with the weather changing and everything, but we made sure that the limes are always perfect because it might affect a lot on the drink. And because we're actually using our limes on the spot for the margarita. All the lime sauce, we're just rescuing them and we're gonna do something with that. We either do a mocktail, we might collaborate with other venues to see if we can do something, even with the kitchen, so nothing goes to waste on the limes. And also, obviously, we got inspiration as well from Julio Bermejo doing his, the same way he actually does his limes, just cutting the two ends from the lime, and that little bit that is extra, we add it to the margarita when we shake it, and it gives a nice little citrusy finish from the lime peel.
How do you tell what a perfect lime is?
I think it really depends on the season, obviously, but I think just by grabbing it. You know, it's like when you go to the supermarket and like maybe you're laying with your mom or something, you grab an avocado on the limes. I think it's all by touching, you know. I guess peeling in, you see if it's juicy. Sometimes you see a lime and they look beautiful, and then from inside they're super dry. So I think we really need to make sure that we take care on time for the product to be amazing. It's a work in progress and it's hard, but I think the team is amazing to making sure the quality of the drink is always great.